Hey everybody, this is Abby from Realistic Kitchen and Gardens, and I wanted to introduce myself and my intention for this channel. I'm in Ohio, Grow Zone 6A. Our grow dates are roughly last frost May 10th to first frost October 10th, roughly. I am on a half acre of just flat grass in our very dense clay. I have a 50-foot garden. Right now it's 5 rows. And my goal for this channel is to basically, it's a true farm to table. So I'm going to grow as much food as I'm able to with what piece of land I have now, and make actual realistic recipes that will inspire you guys to grow your own food. I'm not going to make super complex, ridiculous recipes or really expensive recipes because no one's going to make those. I want to inspire you guys to grow and make your own food. And also part of that with growing as much food as possible is how to properly preserve it. So on the channel, I'm going to go over water bath canning, also steam canning, which is for high acid, high sugar things, and pressure canning, which is for practically everything else low acid, like actual green beans or squash, that kind of thing. I'm also going to get into dehydrating this summer with an actual dehydrator. And I also want to show you guys the benefit of vacuum sealing, just a vacuum sealer, for both room temperature dry goods and using for freezing to prevent freezer burn. So please drop in suggestions, requests, any questions you have. More to come on everything. There's so many topics I want to dive into with actually growing and actually cooking. So stay tuned.